The 19th Belikin La Ruta Maya River Challenge wrapped up just after midday on March 7 near the Swing Bridge in downtown Belize City. It was the end of what has become an annual and very much anticipated event, with hours of canoe paddling and waterside entertainment and fun. Friday morning saw the start of it all with a brief opening ceremony, followed by the 60 canoes lining up on the Maccal River under the Hawksworth Bridge in San Ignacio Town, Cayo District. The first leg of the race is 49 miles, and coming front and center down the river to Banana Bank was the Coop Sheet Metal team, making it in a time of 4 hours, 44 minutes and 53 seconds.
My team was very, very, very good. We trained hard. Jerry Cante, Henry Cruz, they're good paddlers. They're perfect. We're light. We train hard, and today it speaks. Yeah, the river is pretty murky today. You can't see all the stumps and the obstacles in the race, and you have to, we have to pay attention to all the curves and all the stumps and different things out there. So we do have obstacles in the race. No, we had a perfect day today. Couldn't ask for anything better.
Coop Sheet Metal was followed by BTL's Cubs Arms, then the Belize Bank Bulldogs. Saturday morning saw day 2 of the event get started as the paddlers prepared themselves for the longest route of the race. The paddle off was at 6:30, and as the teams went 60 miles down the river, taking them from Banana Bank to Doublehead Cabbage in the Belize District, the first canoe to reach the finish line was for the West Track team, with a time of 5 hours, 21 minutes and 4 seconds. Coop Sheet Metal came in second, and they were followed by BTL's Cubs Arms. Just as the day before, the race was followed by food, drinks, and entertainment at the riverbank. And as the day winded down, both paddlers and spectators prepared for another day on and by the river. There was some ease on Sunday, as there was only 36 miles to travel, and the journey didn't get started until 8 o'clock. After having arrived at Doublehead Cabbage the day before, the teams now had to make their way to Barrelboom. Just after midday, the teams started coming in, and Coop Sheet Metal made it first to the riverbank in Barrelboom with a time of 4 hours, 22 minutes and 22 seconds. Placing second on day 3 was the Belize Bank Bulldogs, followed by BTL's Cubs Arms. The overall journey of this 19-year-old river challenge began and continues to be an event aimed at bringing awareness and appreciation to our environment, particularly our waterways, as explained by one of the race's founders, Dr. Aline Harrison.
I just want to stress the 3 pillars: the cultural, the historical, and the environmental aspect of the race. Right. And so there's a lot of history, culture with the race, and of course the biggest part being the environmental as well. We cannot forget that we need to protect our environment, our river, the Belize River, that has been the main causeway from the Maya days and to the Cayo boat days, and of course now with the Belikin La Ruta Maya.
As the final leg of the race took off, there was much excitement and anticipation by both viewers and the team members. Although by this time, the signs of victory were already in favor of Coop Sheet Metal. The race started at 9 o'clock on Monday morning, and there was 26 miles left to go to complete the 180-mile event. The finish line was in the Bottom Dollar parking lot, just near the Swing Bridge in Belize City.
I'm here with Henry Cruz. Congratulations. How does it feel to win the Belikin La Ruta Maya?
Well, it feels great. I've been trying for 4 years in the pro division to try to get a champ, and thank God that this year we get it.
It was a lot of challenging, as you know, Ruta Maya. Any little mistake you do, you get left behind.
Which day was the most challenging day for you?
The second day was the most challenging. We turned over and we killed a lot of time there.
What are you looking forward to for next year? Will we see you next year?
I got to think about that one.
Like you mentioned, she didn't prepare for this race. She just jumped in a canoe and said, hey.
Correct, Avis Gairis.
All right, Avis, how old are you?
17.
17 years old, and she's paddling.
It's my first year, but I put all that I had and completed all 4 legs without dropping out, so that's an A+ for me. My dad is doing it 17 years now. My sister did it twice, so might as well I get in and do it as well.
Station prizes throughout the race were placed at various locations throughout the event, and an estimated $20,000 in prizes were distributed at the closing ceremony on Monday afternoon. The La Ruta Maya Belize River Challenge began in March 1998 and continues with 8 divisions for the race, namely male, female, mixed, masters, intramural, pleasure craft, and family adventure race. In 2015, Love Entertainment entered into a partnership with the Harrisons in directing the operations of the event. La Ruta Maya Belize River Challenge is an event that coincides each year with the National Heroes and Benefactors Day holiday weekend. Reporting for Love News, I am Renee Trujillo.